My name is Michael Chen. I'm a recent UCI grad, and I am or was a BusinessWhitt intern. I wasn't really sure of my goals for the future. My goal when I came into BusinessWhitt was really just try to find myself and my career path. With COVID-19 all over the place, it's kind of hard to find opportunities. John and I, we really both discovered that I had innate leadership characteristics. John used a few strategies with me. One was talent insights in the very beginning, where we would just do a deep dive into my characteristics, personalities, what I liked, what I didn't like, my strengths and weaknesses. The thing that John did was do a case study with me. So he would propose a scenario and say, like, tell me about like this one difficult project that you did. And then once we wrote it out, we would break it down into shorter components where it would become sort of a storytelling component during an interview. A lot of the networking stuff that John did. So we went through LinkedIn. I had to make a spreadsheet of all the people that I would be interested in contacting, as well as the interested companies that I would be contacting, and then come up with a list of questions and then reach out to those people. And I got a couple of phone interviews then. So yeah, some of the external things was, obviously we learned a lot about email campaigns, how to create landing pages on Infusionsoft, how to craft emails. Emailing is something that's super precise and something that you really have to master. John is different from anyone that I've worked for in the past. He's very direct with what he wants. He's very quick with what he wants. John gives you the opportunity to really give your input. And some people may not like that, but it works for me because I like giving my own input. He's been doing this coaching stuff for so many years. He really has like a set goal or set plan in place for you that, like, at the end of every meeting with him about like talent insights, you really get to like learn a little bit more about yourself.